Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you're somebody like me who loves being outdoors or loves traveling, one of the worst things that can happen is you run out of battery on your phone and there's not a charger anywhere in sight. And this is especially important if you run into emergency situations where you need your phone. So after this happened to me multiple times, I decided I need a portable charging solution. And that's why we're going to be taking a look at the Anker PowerCore 10,000 miniature power bank. This is a really small, portable, and affordable solution that I definitely think you should take a look at. So let's go ahead and check out the Anker PowerCore 10,000. Okay, so let's take a look and see what's in this box. Should be very simple. Just take this off and there it is. This is a very compact charger. So, okay, there's the charger. See if there's anything else in here. Little instruction guide, and then there's also something else at the bottom, so you want to make sure you take everything out of the box. This one was a little bit harder because I had to take it from the bottom. So okay, so here we go, and looks like there's a pouch of some sort right here. Okay, so we do have some additional items here. Okay, there is a carrying pouch, which is nice to have, and here is a micro USB. Oh, nice. Very small and compact, but there is definitely some heft to this. It says Anker right there, and right here there's an input, so that is going to be for your micro USB cable. And there's also a USB port right here as well. So that's where your devices are going to connect to. This is going to connect to your charger, so then you could plug this into a wall charger. So the thing is, you're going to have some type of wall charger on your own. And then here, there's like 4 dots. So that's going to show you how much charge is there. But really nice and compact, but at the same time, it does have some heft to it. And I'm glad that they included all these other items as well. So that is the portable charger. So whenever you plug this into a charger, these 4 lights, they're actually going to flash. And once it's fully charged, then all of these will be full and the flashing will stop. And it also indicates you how much power is left on the charger. Alright, so we're now done charging, and this did take a while. So I used my existing phone charger, which is a micro USB, and it took about 5 to 6 hours to fully charge it, so your mileage may vary. But if you actually press this button right here, it'll tell you whether or not this is full. So right here, all 4 of these lights are on and they're not flashing, so that means I have full power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually charge my phone off of this. And so my phone right now uses this 33 watt fast charger. So this is really fast. I could go from 0 to 100 in about 1 hour and 30 minutes. But now we're going to test out this Anker to see how long it takes. And so at least for me, I normally don't wait until my phone dies. And so right now I currently have 23% left, and I haven't charged this in 1 day and 19 hours. And what I'm also going to do is look at the timer as well. So once I start charging, I'm going to start the stopwatch to see how long this takes to charge. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. So let's go ahead and try this out. I'm going to plug this. There's a USB input right here. So we'll plug the cable here. And then I'll plug this into my phone, which is a USB-C. And as you can see, it lights up and it's charging. So we'll come back and see how long it took to charge the phone. Okay, so right now we're at 46% and it has been about 30 minutes. So I think that's pretty good. So more than 20% in about 30 minutes. All right, so we're now at 100% charge, and that took about 1 hour and 55 minutes, so basically about 2 hours. And my phone actually has 4,500 milliamp battery, which does make a difference. And so after charging this actually has 3 bars left, or 3 dots. And this one can hold a charge of 10,000 milliamps. So on average, I'll probably get about 2.5 charges, at least on this device. And also down here, the actual wattage that it has, this has 12 watts out, and this is 10 watts if I'm not mistaken. And so although it's not as fast as your normal chargers, this does have a feature called voltage boost. I think it is still pretty good, and especially considering it could hold 10,000 milliamps, you know, you're going to get a few charges out of this on your phone. So that is a good thing overall. So I'm pretty satisfied with the amount of, you know, charge that I was able to get out of this. And 2 hours, at least for me, it's not bad at all. And I could still charge it a few more times. And some other things that I really do like about this charger is the portability factor. This is about the size of a credit card. And I'm really glad that Anker provided a pouch for you, so you can just stick this in there. And the price itself, whenever I bought this was about $25. So I really think that is a great price for such a portable and powerful charging solution. And so those are my thoughts on the Anker PowerCore 10,000. So if you don't have something like this in your travel package, then I highly recommend that you get one, especially in those situations where you need some power. Now, if you did want to get this and you want to support my channel, I will leave affiliate links in the description area below. And if you did have any thoughts on this or any other portable charging solution, you can leave that in the comments as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And if you're a creative geek like me, and you want to get exclusive access to more content that I don't put out here publicly on my YouTube channel, then join my Gold Content Creators group, where you're going to get content like this and more for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group.